Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to reset your PC in Windows 10 without an installation disk. Just follow the steps. Go to Windows Start menu and click Settings. Click Update and Security. Then, click Recovery. To reset this PC, click Get Started. There are two options for resetting this PC. The first option removes apps and settings, but keeps your personal files. The second option removes all of your personal files, apps, and settings. Now let's choose the first option. Select Local Reinstall. Be sure to read the additional settings before proceeding. Then, click Next to start resetting your PC. Let's try the second option, resetting your PC and clean the drive. It means wipe everything. Select Local Reinstall. Be sure to read the additional settings before proceeding. Then click Next to start resetting your PC. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep you posted on my latest video upload. Thank you.